Hello, good morning, friends. So, in today's video, we will be looking at the prevailing weather conditions over the Indian subcontinent and how uh, the weather going to be in next 12 hours, and also the projection for next 22 hours. So, if you look at the current satellite image, uh, most clouds remain confined to the North Odisha near Bhubaneswar region and part of Jharkhand. Uh, as you can see, there is a region near Dhanbad where we have a lot of clouds. Let me mark it. So here we have a lot of clouds, and then we have a cloud cluster over the over Bihar region near Purnia, and also part of North West Bengal. If you move southward, here we have Odisha, where we have a strong thunderstorm. Parts of Kolkata are also experiencing some mild cloud activity. Uh, so this is the region which is covered by cloud as of now. And if we move toward the northeast India, we see some cloud activity over Arunachal Pradesh as well. Uh, Apart from that, there is no significant cloud activity over the Indian subcontinent. In particular, the Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and UP are mostly cloud free. We don't see any patches of cloud over that region. So this region is completely cloud free. So not a single cloud is here. So I don't know. I mean, let me make it. Let me first zoom it out. Then we will be able to. Then we will be able to draw the circle. Okay. So yeah, so you see here from here to southern part, almost this region is almost clear. So no cloud are present over this region. Okay, so yeah, so now let's see what is the status of the upper level trough, which has been responsible for the intense thunderstorm activity over the eastern India in couple of days. So for that, let's analyze the wind patterns. So let's first start with the surface. As we can expect, there is not much activity near the surface, and it is very difficult to point out anything significant. To analyze further, let's move around 2 kilometer height. Here we will see a lot of activity. So the first thing we note that there are winds coming from northwest India and turning back toward northeast. So there is a signature of some sort of trough over this region in lower level. But it is not as clear, as prominent, or as clear as it was in past few days. Now let's move further up around 5.5 kilometer height. Now it is very clear. You see here we can clearly see the trough. Now it is situated over Bhutan region instead of uh, Uttar Pradesh. Now it has shifted to Bhutan region, and the important point here is that the divergence which we were observing in past over past few days is not that prominent. I mean, we do still see some sort of cyclonic circulation, but the important factor for rainfall, which is the divergence of an upper level, is absent, and that is why we do not see significant rainfall activity over that region. There are patches of divergence, but they are not as prominent as which they used to be in past few days. So this is the reason why we are not getting that much rainfall as of now. But still, the quasi-geostrophic uplift, which is the uplift caused by the vertical shear, will still cause rainfall over the eastern part of India, northeastern, extreme northeast part of India. So the divergence was not prominent in the middle troposphere, but it is still existing in the upper troposphere. So, uh, so if we check the divergence here, so you see here the wind speeds are quite high, and here it is quite low, and that is what causing the line of divergence here. So let me mark it here for your convenience. Let me use black color. So here this is the center, and here we have the line of divergence, upper level divergence. So this is the upper level divergent region, which is causing most of the uh, yeah. So this is the reason which we were. So this is the system where we are getting this cyclonic circulation, and here we have this winds which are coming going out, and here we are coming winds are coming in. So this is what is happening here. Uh, Now, what is the what we can expect in next 12 hours or so? So, I forgot to mention one more thing is that this is the reason where we are getting most of the thunderstorm activity for now. So let's look at the clouds and rainfall. So this is the reason where most of the thunderstorm activities are concentrated along this region of divergence, upper level divergence or lower level convergence. Now, what are the expectations for next few hours? So by 12 p.m. today, the thunderstorm activity will continue over the Jharkhand, part of North Odisha, as we can see here, and by 3 p.m. it will be quite intense over Kolkata and part of West Bengal region. Of course, the part of North Odisha will continue to receive rainfall. Part of Bihar near Purnia will also experience thunderstorm activity by evening. So the Kolkata will experience its significant rainfall today as well. Now, as far as the intensity is concerned, models are not in agreement about that. So GFS is expecting only patchy clouds, no rainfall at all, but ECMW is expecting significant rainfall. So we have to so I think that so yeah, finger crossed. Let's see what happens. But as far as current situation is concerned, I'm not pretty sure as to what will be the weather in Kolkata in the evening or so. But one thing is clear: that rainfall definitely will happen. But what will be its intensity need to be looked into. So around 5 p.m., uh, the system will only be balanced. So only ECMWF is expecting from some coherent rainfall or thunderstorm pattern. But as far as GFS and ICON is concerned, I don't see any coherent pattern. So I mean, I would refrain from making any conclusive or decisive comment for the Kolkata or West Bengal rainfall for today. But overall, I would say that there are possibilities of thunderstorm activity over Jharkhand, West Bengal, and North Odisha in general, but not. I am restricting myself to mention any particular location uh, because it may not be very accurate given the uncertainty among models. So this is what we can expect for this evening. So you might be wondering what will be the condition over the Southern Peninsula India. So currently we do not see much activity, but as we uh, go later into the day, the cloud formation will gonna happen around 4 p.m. So Kerala will experience its usual thunderstorm activity starting from Trivandrum up to the Bangalore region. Bangalore will also experience its thunderstorm activity up to 6 p.m. The signature is quite decent, so I would say that rainfall will be in quite good numbers. So ECMWF is also expecting quite a good rainfall. So let's see how much it will rain. But as far as the intensity is concerned, it will more or less rain relatively less intense rainfall. But we don't know anything would be possible. So let's wait for things to unfold a little bit. But one thing is clear among model that the rainfall intensity is relatively low compared to yesterday. So yeah, this is what we can be confident about. But how much it will rain, what reason it will rain more has to be looked into. So we have to wait for that to become clear. So this is all about the Southern Peninsula India part of part of Telangana will also experience some rainfall activity while the evening and night. So the Andhra, coastal Andhra Pradesh near Nellore region, Vijayawada, Nellore, this belt will also experience some rainfall. Apart from that, I do not see any significant signature anywhere in over the Indian subcontinent. Yep. So this is, I think, we are done with most part of India. We have covered the eastern part, southern part. There is nothing in the central part, north part, and western part. So yeah. So this is for the this is all about the today weather. So yeah, I will upload a video for the 72-hour forecast separately. Till then, take care and goodbye.